Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to make a table using text. So whenever we are working for a research paper, so we use it to make some tables and a comparative analysis. So especially while you are making literature review or a review paper, so you will be having content from different kinds of research paper. So from that you have to formulate a table. So if you are struggling to formulate a table using the content you have taken, so you can use Chatgpt to generate a better table for you. So by giving a precise and perfect prompt, you can get a complete table whatever you expected. So I am going to showcase you that how to make a table out of a content using Chatgpt. So let us go on to today's video and check how Chatgpt will generate tables from text. In order to make tables from text, so first you have to open Chatgpt. So in this Chatgpt, so this is the dashboard of this Chatgpt. So here you can copy and paste the content. So in order to show you an example, I have taken a literature review. So this literature review, I am going to take related multiport converters. So you can copy this literature review part. So copy the literature review. So go to Chatgpt. So and then paste the literature review. So here you can give an input prompt. So from the above literature review, make a table containing references, merits, or I am going to give type of converter used, merits and demerits in separate columns. So like that you can give an input prompt. So automatically Chatgpt will analyze that particular content and it will generate a perfect table for you. So here you can see that, so we have asked for a reference and type of a converter used and then merits and demerits of the particular content. So automatically here you can see that references, type of converter used and then merits and demerits of the that is particular reference papers will be generated here. So this is how you can generate a perfect table using that is your content. So or else, so if you want a own content, your own table, so to ask you to generate Chatgpt, so you can do that also. For example, I am going to give compare different MPPT techniques and make a table of it. So I am going to give this is a general prompt, this is not a precise prompt. So if you want a precise prompt, you can give that also. So you can give what are the different types of MPPT methods has to be considered. So like that you can give also, automatically it will generate content for you. So here you can see that, so MPPT technique and then algorithm type, merits and demerits. So for different types of MPPT algorithms, it is generating a that is content, a table for you. So here this is how you can generate your own content. So generate your own table from Chatgpt, but don't trust this kind of table. So because you have not given any input for this, so you have just given prompt. So by giving just a prompt, so you cannot make a perfect table. So you have to do like this. So you have to make some theoretical analysis about the particular topic and you have to make it as a text. So after you can copy and paste the text, so it will be converted into table. So that will give you a better table, so and also a better content. So if you ask this kind of tables, so surely this kind of table, that is this kind of tables, surely this will give you a common content only. So by considering all the databases in them, so always make sure that, so you will give a text in this Chatgpt and generate a better table for you. So especially those who are making review papers, so this kind of option will be very useful for you, because in review paper you have to make different kinds of tables. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.